Hey y'all, so we're finally cleaned. The maids just left actually, honey, because I was not about to get this apartment ready for inspection, but I wanted to show y'all a before and after. So this is the before of our old place. We took these things out because we were about to replace them before we leave. And this is all the counter space I have. All these recipes I have on my channel, 500 and something recipes, came from this little old stove and this little bit of counter space. This is the fridge. Then over here, like I said, those are the burners. We have to throw them out and replace them because when we moved in here, they were new. And this is the dishwasher. Yep. So they just left, and this place looks brand new. But yeah, like I said, this is all the kind of space I have for all the people that say, oh, why can't you taste your food? Why can't you be on camera? I ain't got no dining table. I don't have a space for a dining table. I don't have a place to sit down. Me and my husband don't even eat together most days. So, you know, this is all I have. And yeah, so next time y'all see me, it'll be a tour of the new kitchen.